Hey guys, and welcome to another Code Monkeys video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install Intellij on Linux. The first thing you want to do is go to Intellij's website and click download. Alright, now it's going to bring you to this page where it has an Ultimate Edition and a Community Edition. And you can see the difference between the two in a checklist down here. The main difference, however, is that the Community Edition is free and the Ultimate Edition costs money unless you're a student. And we're going to be installing it on Linux today, and I'm going to go ahead and download the Ultimate Edition because I am a student. So it's going to prompt you to save the file in your download, so go ahead and do that. And now the next thing we want to do is we want to go to the directory where we want to extract Intellij into. So I'm going to go into my opt folder. It's always good practice to go to your opt folder, as that's for optional software that you install. So let's go ahead and go into there. And then what you want to do is sudo tar-xv-zf, and then you want to tilde / go to your downloads, and then you want to type the name of the tar file that you just downloaded. And okay, so it should be, there we go. Alright, and so now when you click download for that, it's going to go ahead and extract Intellij into your opt folder. Alright, so I can go ahead and run that, and I'm actually going to stop it because I already have Intellij installed, but if you let that finish out, it'll install it, and then you can type ls and see that you have your IDE folder right there. So now to run Intellij, all you have to do is go through your opt directory and go through your IDE directory, bin directory, and then you can just run a shell script, which is idea.sh. Alright, so now when you go ahead and run that, it might take a little bit, but Intellij is going to run. Alright, let's see if it is, okay, it hasn't come up yet. Alright, let's see. You just got to give it a second sometimes. Alright, there we go. There's Intellij. Alright. Okay, so you can see it's licensed to Nicholas Cerulli, and subscription is active until March 4th, 2020, and that's because I have the student edition. So currently it's free for me, but only until 2020. Alright, now a lot of these IDEs like Intellij and Eclipse, they take a while to start up. Okay, alright, so now it should have popped up over here. Okay, so let's bring that over. Alright, so now this is what you'll see. So now you can go ahead and create a new project, import a project, learn more about Intellij, and then you can just set up a whole bunch of different configurations, which I can show in a later video. There's just a lot of cool stuff that you can do here. You can install different plugins. There's a lot more flexibility with the Ultimate Edition because obviously it's going to have more since it costs money. It has a lot more for web development and databases, and I think you can even install Node with it. But that's going to be all for this video today, guys. Thanks for watching. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and if you guys have anything that you want me to do, leave it in the comments.